Whether you have a remote touch or touchpad controller, customizing your door lock settings is the same. To begin, press the menu button on the center console. On the display, select Setup. Then scroll to the right and select Vehicle, and then Vehicle Customization. Select Door Lock Settings. This allows you to set the automatic lock and unlock feature, program the remotes function, and select the driver's door or all doors to unlock. You can also set timing for the auto relock timer and lock-unlock feedback for lights and tone volume when using your Smart Access key. To adjust settings, select a feature. Make your adjustment, and the system will save your settings. To return to regular system functionality, press the Home button.